Yeah, go. Wait a second, let me make this stick. Okay, go.
Go to the food screen. Smart PC.
One bridges will
Let's take
stay.
picture later, no, Regis. Ah? Gani. Buko ginagawa silang pila. Oo.
Let's go on the road, it's right there. Go on the side. Let's stay next to the light. These are all doing YouTube videos. See, these guys are doing YouTube. I like a small car like that.
Yeah, that one is
I like that
smart.
one,
But I think the one smart.
nah, it's a bit of
Hmm?
McDonald's the night market on a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Coming to is still at
Pwede naman sila mag-journey ko. Bakit naman sila?
Oh, good may have a jumping castle. Good may have a jumping castle.
Kasi gani mo mawin sila.
Any go, Yami. Go, Yami.
Kukunin card. May number.
May Facebook pa yan eh.
Hey, ask you how much is the dough?
Ana? Ano yung hili? Nagpila nino?
Ano ba?
Sino?
94? Ay,
How much is the dough?
Pila nino?
sige, thank you, sir.
It's a rechargeable, eh?
Yes, sir. This is 2,150, 2 batteries.
Too bad.
Yeah, this is heavy duty, sir. Then, set, 3 months warranty. What the set, sir?
Comes with 2 batteries.
Yeah. We have 2 batteries. Yeah, 2 batteries. Then, for the warranty, it's 3 months warranty. Change items.
What is it? 2,000.
Okay, sir.
2,000.
I will
He
I will
give you
give you
2,000.
PWD discount.
Yeah, because 2,150, so I will give you 2,000. Then 3 months warranty.
But I won't be here for a while. I'll come back and check it out. But you got 2 batteries, eh?
2 battery, 2 battery.
How the battery comes out?
Then push down.
one charge, how long the battery lasts? Sir? Like how long the battery lasts?
It depends how
How
to
much
use.
you use?
It depends. So it 3 to 4 hours straight using
Okay.
for one battery.
2,000 lang nga, mabalik ko.
That's a good price, sir. That's a
Yeah,
good
okay.
price. Yeah, that's a good price. Are you from sir, India?
South Africa, India.
India. I have a
South
friend.
Africa.
South Africa. Because I have a friend named Cheetah. Cheetah Rana. Okay, Rana. From India also. He's my friend.
But I'm South Africa. That's why we call South African Indian. Because we were born in South Africa. We're not from India.
I'm not from there. But we're the same faces.
Yeah. All Indians are look the same. Even Malaysia and Singapore, a lot of Indians. They call Malaysian Indian and Singaporean. Because they're born
But you
there.
have a good English, sir.
Yeah, I only speak English.
Yeah, you speak English.
So 2,000 best price.
That best one. Actually, sir, this is new. This is brand new.
Brand new. Okay. Alright, chef.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
How much are the fishing rods?
It depends with the quality.
So your most expensive one is which one?
This one is 4,800 to 25 kilograms. And this is the most, not cheapest, but this is 950 pesos only. Set.
I'll show Vinay. And the reels start from what price? The most expensive reel? The most expensive reel?
10,000 series. This is, for the reel is only 3,500.
So my Benlo does fishing. So he'll
You love fishing
I want to show him. Alright, chef. Are you here tomorrow?
Yeah, last day tomorrow.
Last day tomorrow.
Tomorrow is last day.
Yeah.
Hope you can come back, sir.
Come see for the joke.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
ma'am.
What is it? What is this?
Line.
Oh, rose is there for you. I'll buy you one rose.
Oh.
5 roses for my mother.
Ano naman pala?
Egg full of trees. When you like the
Kapag ka, o gani, ni o kano pa lang ito. Abot ko niya rin sila. Tapos na biya, siya ni Chris, siya ko talaga, siya
what's kimchi? What is kimchi?
kimchi.
What is that? I'm asking, what is it?
It's like, it's like Chinese cabbage.
What is this?
Gotcha.
What is that? Ice cream.
Ice cream? Ba't pa Now we can bring dried fish in the luggage, no?
I don't know. I wouldn't know.
Without
What's this now when they make?
Sorry?
What's that now when they make?
Super cheese?
What they make in the oven? Pizza.
No, it's like
Oh, so close, man.
you check.
I thought it was pizza.
No, it's not. It looks like.
No, the oven there. Look
Which
like a
one?
pizza oven there. That is a pizza thing. See?
You want?
No, we'll come back. We'll come back.
Check first.
last thing I want to eat is biryani. That's the last thing I want to eat is biryani. I know I'm Indian, that's the last thing I want to eat. So you see Indian biryani. In Malaysia, I ask you in Malaysia how many biryani we had. We had chicken biryani, we had... But it's so much easier with the stick than holding the phone in your hand. I think it's so much easier with the stick rather than holding the phone in your hand and trying to keep it steady. You know what I'm saying? The videos look better on YouTube, so anyway.
Yeah, look better. That's why
Who knows? Maybe we'll start making money on YouTube that she's gonna do. She can travel the world. People are doing it, only making YouTube videos and traveling the world. Is it chili? What is that? That's queso.
Come over to my place. Hit sa harap sa likod kahit na ano pa ang posisyon pati sideways. Sa tumingin na andyan natin pwedeng break. Walang sa
That's Landers there. I think that's Landers there. That's Landers there. That's it. That's it. You go back.
Huh? Go back?
Yeah, go. What else?
Because it's so...
Okay, well, you can't go inside Landers.
Yeah. Abdan,
Now let's find a place to surround.
Sorry?
Find a place to surround near the pizza.
Huh? Pizza?
Find a place to surround. No, they got place. Go here. I'm gonna see what they got. Cool, I'm gonna see.
Here?
I'm gonna see what they got. I'm not buying, I'm gonna see.
This one must be.
Yeah, like that, yeah. Yeah, the brass with You can't take a man or go on the plane. I think when I hijack the pilot.
Oh, it's shocking.
You can't take any tools.
Sorry?
You can't have any tools in your hand luggage.
Yeah. That's over here.
Because they think that you're gonna hijack the plane.
Where we They got the perfumes. I mix, yeah. Here, I got your that one.
Chicken and
What?
sausage then.
Yeah. We call that chorizo.
Not the red one.
That one is sweet.
And a small sausage.
Which one?
Yeah, what is that? What is that?
Chorizo. Sweet, not like what we got in Qatar.
What is this here? What is this here?
Huh?
What is this?
Remember the one that you eat with the ice mango shake? The sweet one and the salty one. That okay, strawberry first. What you got?
What's money you left? What's money you left to buy pizza?
That's the one.
Now let's go see this.
You want?
Yeah. It's a wood fire pizza.
What one is wood? I don't know. There, see?
That's what it's a wood, but that's what the fire is. It's a pizza oven.
This where I bought the mango shake. Ito lang ang alin.
Di lang, may coffee.
It's in the front, not there. The other one, no? The other one.
Stop there at the bend.
Where?
Yeah, stop there. Wonderful drink like. Got it. Drink for you. Yeah.
Thank you so much for the after. Take us in there, guys. Even a shirt. Great. Thank you so much.
They're done.
Having a break.